Hi guys, it's Mrs. Scott. Happy Friday. Just wanted to get with you in order to give you some directions on what you want to accomplish today. I apologize for having to broadcast from the pink room again. It makes me look very yellow, but it is what it is. So we'll make it work. Okay, first thing, you should already have completed the first half of checkpoint one, look, listen, and learn. That should already be done. So now what you're going to want to do is focus on the second part of checkpoint one. Specifically, we're going to start right here with question 3. So basically, you've inspected a Google slide from an anonymous person that gave you 4 different pictures from their life. And you dug into them and you kind of figured out what was in there and what kind of person this might be. So now what I want you to do is think about, if you were researching this person, if you were trying to actually figure out who they are, their identity, what questions would you ask them to get more information out of them? And I know it says, what is one question you would ask? Ask as many as you like. The more questions you ask, the more likely your information and your narrative is going to be correct at the end of this project. So ask as many questions as you like. This weekend, I will go into checkpoint one and I will answer, I'll get with the person and I'll answer as many of the questions for you as I possibly can so that you can have information to work with on the second part of what you're eventually going to do, which is create a story about this anonymous person. And it's going to be a narrative. You're going to write a story, but this story isn't going to be fictional. You're going to try to write this story and have it accurately portray the person that's the owner of those 4 pictures. So you can create the story however you wish. If you want to name this person, great. If you want to create them as a character, great. But however you set this story up, you are telling it and you want to try to make the facts in it match as closely as true to life as possible. Okay. Now, again, you can't do that right now because you haven't asked any questions yet up here on number 3. So you need to generate those questions today. And then over the weekend, I will go into checkpoint 1 and I will answer all those for you so that you can do your narration. Okay. So first of all, brainstorm as many questions as you like after looking at the 4 photos. Second thing I do want you to do today is create a Google slide with your own 4 pictures. And remember what those pictures are going to be. Number 1, you're going to take a picture of things that you carry with you each day. 2, you're going to take a picture of a space of yours. 3, you're going to take about a picture of things that you care about. And then 4, you're going to take a picture of something that makes you happy. And try to keep anything that would identify you out of your shots. So phone numbers, addresses, your name. If you have anything with your name on it, take that out. Probably pictures of you. Like if you have a picture of you, maybe take that out. So anything that would identify you, take that out before you take that out of the shot before you take the picture. When you're done, you can put the link to the Google slide right there in the final checkpoint submission box. Or if you just want to put the 4 pictures in that box, that's fine too. If you do use a Google slide, make sure that you change the settings on the Google slide so that I'll be able to view it. I've had quite a few that I've gotten here lately where I've clicked on it and it forces me to ask for permission. So just make sure if you do a Google slide that you change the settings on it so that I can see it. Okay? Okay. So that is all that you need to do today. And I will see you guys later and go have a fantastic weekend. Bye, guys.